You want to tell me about what you're doing?
We are filling a milk carton with snow because it's empty, and it must fill to the top. And I grabbed it out of the garage, and I decided to fill it up with snow. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this thing.
What a nice idea.
And he made an idea. Yeah. Okay. Martin just got it for fun, except I had the idea.
How long have you been working on this, do you think?
I think 2 minutes, maybe. I think we did it for like an hour or two. Oh, Martin, we're almost there. We're almost there, Martin, look. We're there. We're there. Mom, we're there.
You did it!
Ha. We're there. Watch this.
Don't hurt yourself.
We're going snowball.
Myron, do you want to see how heavy it is?
So heavy. It's 15 pounds.
Oh, don't hurt yourself.
Watch this.